Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Kia Stonic 2. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 51 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of just 9, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 13,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Clear White and looks in great condition for your mileage. And having a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior. The fabric on the seats there is in really nice condition. There's a armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your satellite navigation with Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has air conditioning, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Stonic has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers also have a 12 volt charging socket in the centre as well. And opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there, nice and square as well, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have some extra storage underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.